Okay, good morning, everybody. It's Sunday, it's Father's Day, and I wanted to give my friends and some of my family that doesn't live near me a tour of my backyard and of my plant that I planted many years ago when my dad passed away. So I'm going to turn the camera so you can see the garden. And for my lovely son and daughter-in-law who are not in the area any longer, see what I've done to the backyard. The flowers are starting to come in, and this is where I've been spending my time when I should be working on my marketing plan for my business. So some of you may be saying, well, what business is that? Well, project management training and consulting. And as I walk around the yard, hope you don't get dizzy from all the juggling of the camera, but we're coming around the side of the house and you can see some more of the garden. I actually opened up the garden a little bit more this year. Every year it's a little bit more. And as you can see, I added snakes into the into the trees. And so this is a new collection of snakes I've added. They're not real, so don't call the police and say I'm exposing my granddaughter to snakes in the garden. But as you can see, we've added some really nice plants. A lot of them plants that can come back year after year. And all we did was actually move plants from one side of the house to the other. So for those of you that are into gardening, I know this is a real treat for you. And this is my catalpa tree. I call it my Jack and the Beanstalk tree because it gets taller and taller every year. I hope you can see that. I hope it comes out great on the video. But just giving you a tour, my forsythia that didn't bloom this year, and just giving you a tour around the house. And then this is the side plants. So there'll be a follow-up video, obviously, when the plants come into full bloom. And you know that'll be a real treat for me to see the fruits of my labor. So that's it for Sunday morning, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all our friends out there who are celebrating. And those of you who have lost their dads like I have lost mine, they're still in our hearts. And we'll have a toast today to celebrate the goodness of great fathers. Have a great Father's Day. Bye. Bye.